Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you looking to get verified on Telegram? Here is a step-by-step guide. Let's get right into it. To get verified, you need an established presence on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. Next, go to Telegram's verification support website and submit a request with links to your social media profiles. You will need to add a public Telegram username and have an active channel or group related to your account. Telegram will review your application, and if you meet the requirements, they will verify your account. Verification helps establish credibility, so make sure your profiles are active and public. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next one. Take care and bye bye.